Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this interesting geometry problem. We are asked to find the area of the shaded region which is marked blue right here. But first of all, pay attention to the outermost plane figure. You can see it is a square because it has equal dimensions. We have 4 centimeters here, we have 4 centimeters here. And inside this big square, we have 4 other small squares. You can see this square has dimension 2 by 2. Likewise, this, and this. All right. So we have several ways of solving this problem, but let me show you an approach. I would like to connect this point to this point. So let's do that. You see that? Connect this to this. Then do the same thing from this end to this end. Do the same thing here to here. All right, now if you observe, we have 16 smaller squares of dimension 1 by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 4, 16. All right, so let me pay attention to the quarter cycles we have. You can see this is a quarter cycle. If you divide a cycle by 4, you're going to get this piece each. So let me see how many quarter cycles do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 quarter cycles, making 2 complete cycles, right? And the radius will be what? 1 centimeters. Just look at this cycle right here. Its diameter is 2, right? From here to here is 2 units. Therefore, from the center to this part is going to give us 1 unit, which implies that the radius of each cycle is 1 centimeter. So since we have 8 quarter cycles, 8 quarter cycles, if you simplify this, you're going to get 2 exactly. So we have 2 complete cycles. All right, since we have 2 complete cycles, we have other portions. You can see we have these smaller portions. How many are they? They are also 8 in number. So how can we find their area? Because we know finding the area of a cycle is very simple. So let me pay attention to this one first. If you observe, this is what? This is a square of dimension 1 by 1. Therefore, its area is 1 centimeter squared. So if you can find the area of that square, then subtract this unshaded part, which is the white region, which is also a quarter cycle. Area of a cycle divided by 4. If you subtract it from the area of a square, it will be left with only this region. So let's see how we can find it. You can see this is exactly what we have, but we have 8 of them. They are 8 in number. So we know that this region has an area of what? Pi r squared divided by 4. But the entire figure here is what? 1 centimeter squared, because it has a dimension of 1 by 1. So therefore, if you want to find the area of this, only this blue region, it will be what? The area of squared, which is 1, minus the area of this quarter cycle, which is pi divided by 4, because radius is 1 unit. But we have 8 of this, right? So let me write the total area of the shaded region. Total area will be equal to the area of those 2 cycles we have. But remember, the radius is 1 unit. We have 2 pi r squared. But remember, radius is 1. So let me just remove it. We just have 2 pi for the 2 areas. Then plus 8 of this, because remember there are 8 in number. So we have 8 of 1 minus pi over 4. So let's simplify. This is equal to 2 pi plus 8 times 1 will give us 8, minus pi over 4 times 8 will give us 2 pi. 2 pi cancel 2 pi. What we have is just 8 cm squared, which implies that the area of the blue region is 8 cm squared. But let me show you another way you can do that as well. After we have partitioned the figure into 16 smaller squares, if you observe, the area here, which is this smaller blue region, is equivalent to this white unshaded region. and they are also 8 in number. So if I were you, I can remove this and place it right here to complete this square. If you remove this, you can place it right here to complete this square. Remove this, place it right here. Remove this, place it right here. In the end, you're going to obtain how many squares? 8 of them. We have 1 here, we have 2 here, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 smaller squares, 8 squares. And each square has an area of what? 1 by 1, that is 1 times 1, which is 1. So this is equal to 8 times 1, which is equal to 8 cm squared. So in either case, you are going to get 8 centimeters squared. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.